Good afternoon, everyone. This is the continuation of my report about reproductive system. The female reproductive system. A woman's reproductive system makes it possible for her to get pregnant and give birth. It includes two ovaries, two fallopian tubes, the uterus, the cervix, and the vagina. Most women can become pregnant starting at puberty. This is when their menstrual cycles begin. They can get pregnant until menopause when their cycle stop. So, magsimulang mabuntis yung isang babae kapag nagsimula din silang ah, nagsimula yung menstruation nila. Tapos, magtigil lang yung pagbubuntis nila kapag nandoon na sila sa stage ng menopause. Ito yung tinatawag natin na menopausal baby. Yung last na baby at last na pagbubuntis ng isang babae. The female reproductive organs, the vagina, fallopian tubes and ovaries. Vagina, a muscular canal around 7.5 cm long that extends from the neck of the womb to the genitals or vulva. Vagina, ito yung ari ng babae na kung saan daanan siya ng baby. Daanan ng baby. Uterus, a muscular organ shaped like an upside-down pear. Its lining is called the endometrium. The neck or entrance to the womb is the cervix, which has a small hole in its center called the os. Fallopian tubes. These tubes extends from the womb, one on each side. They both open near an ovary. These tubes carry the egg, ovum, from the ovary to the womb. Dalawang part, left and right yung fallopian tube. Wala ko picture. Makita nyo yan sa video na ipipresent ko mamaya. Ovaries, two small almond-shaped glands that contain ova. Sex hormones are also made by the ovaries. The menstrual cycle. Hormones secreted by the ovaries and a small gland in the brain called the pituitary gland control the menstrual cycle. The average menstrual cycle is around 28 days. After a period, rising levels of the hormones estrogen help to thicken the lining of the womb, the endometrium. At mid-cycle, an egg is released from one of the ovaries, ovulation. If the egg is fertilized on its journey down the fallopian tube, it lodges in the womb lining. If the egg is unfertilized, falling levels of the hormones progesterone make the womb lining come away. This is called a period or menstruation. The cycle then repeats. When you want to have a baby, you can improve your chance of getting pregnant if you know about ovulation and the fertile window in the menstrual cycle. The egg or ovum or ovum, basta ganun. A woman's entire egg supply is developed when she's still an unborn baby. At the start of puberty, the eggs are ripened inside the ovary and one is released every month. Each egg contains genetic material. At menopause, the ovaries stop making hormones and eggs are no longer ripened or released. Yun nga sa sinabi ko kanina, kapag nandoon na yung babae, kapag nandoon na yung babae sa stage ng menopausal na tinatawag, hindi na nagpo-produce or hindi na sila mag-produce ng baby or hindi na sila mabubuntis. Depende lang yan. Kasi, kasi may na ano ako na balita ba yun or na ano ko sa Facebook na 75 years old, 80 na pwede pa ding makaproduce ng baby. Abnormality na siguro yun or siguro yun yung time na ano na siguro God's gift. Ganun na lang. Sorry. Female reproductive system problems. Some reproductive health conditions women may experience include endometriosis, the presence and growth of functioning endometrial tissue in places other than the uterus, polycystic ovarian syndrome, fibroids, malignant tumors of the womb, infertility, inability to become pregnant. So, like sa lalaki kanina, sabi ko nga na kanina. Last discussion na ito yung tinatawag natin na baog or hindi makaproduce ng baby or hindi siya nabubuntis kahit anong gawin nilang sex. Ganun. Painful periods, premenstrual tension, sexually transmissible infections, bacterial or viral infection acquired through sexual contact, some of which can cause cancer or infertility. So, I have a video na ipipresent. Tingnan po natin.
Female reproductive system. In this video, we will see the structure and functions of human female reproductive system. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Let's see the different parts of the female reproductive system. Ovaries. There are a pair of ovaries in the female reproductive system that contain the premature egg cells. Oviducts. There are two oviducts which unite into an elastic bag-like structure known as uterus. Uterus. It is called the womb where the implantation and development of baby takes place. Cervix. The uterus opens into the vagina through the cervix. Vagina. It is the passage where sperms are deposited by the penis of male reproductive system during sexual intercourse. Now let's see the production of female gametes. When do girls start producing egg cells? When a girl is born, the ovaries already contain thousands of immature eggs. By reaching puberty, the eggs start maturing. One egg is produced every month by one of the ovaries. The egg released by the ovary is collected in the fallopian tubule. It is the place where the fertilization takes place by the fusion of sperm and egg cells. Then, how do the sperms reach fallopian tubule? The sperms get deposited in the vagina of the female reproductive system by the penis of the male reproductive system during sexual intercourse. The sperms travel towards fallopian tubule and finally reaches the egg cell and fertilizes it. The hormones secreted by the ovaries prepares the uterus to receive and nurture the growing embryo. The walls of the uterus becomes thick and richly supplied with blood to nourish the growing embryo. The fertilized egg, the zygote, gets implanted in the lining of the uterus and starts dividing. Placenta is a special tissue that helps the embryo to get nutrition from the mother's blood. It is embedded in the uterine wall and provides glucose and oxygen to the embryo. Placenta also transfer the waste generated by the embryo into the mother's blood. The development of the child inside the mother's body takes approximately 9 months. This period is called as gestation period. The child is born as a result of rhythmic contractions of the muscles in the uterus. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please give us a like and don't forget to post your comments.
So yun, thank you for watching and listening guys.